Back to my YouTube channel. I am Coach Raphael. Alright, in this video I want to show you how you can send a private message to all the group member in every group that you are in. Let's say for example, maybe you are in a particular group and they have over 200 group members and you want to send them a message personally without sending it into the group. Like for example, this is like a group having over 500 members in, but you want to send them a message without forwarding it to the group. Now there's a way you can go about it. This is called WhatsApp community. Now you can do this by adding this group into a community. So when you send a message into the community, they will all see it in their personal DM. For example, how do you go about it? You just scroll to the left side of your phone, then you actually see a community there. So you scroll to the left side of your chart, then you see this community button, then you click on new community. When you create a community, let's say for example you give it a name, my sales broadcast. Let's say for example give it a name, my sales broadcast. Then you create it. So once you create that, you can add all the group that you want to add into it. Maybe you have groups that you want to add into the community too. You can say add existing groups, then you just add up all the groups that you have on your WhatsApp. So let's check out these groups and let's see how it works. So you add up all the groups that you have on your WhatsApp. When you add these groups to your community, then they are going to, so once you add them up like this, then you're going to click on the next. So I don't want to add some particular group since just a demo. I'm just teaching out, but let me add one of my groups to show you, my own group, to show you what I'm talking about. Okay, so I'm going to add these 4 groups to the community. So once you just do that, you just click on the next one, then they are already in the community. It's showing that when I let me go back to the community itself. Okay, I should add one more group to it. Okay, let me add one more group to the community. Okay, let me add this. So I've added the group to the community. Now let's say for example I want to send message to the community. So you just search for the community. Let's say the name of the community is this, my sales community. Okay, let me search for it. My sales community, my sales broadcast. So let's wait for it to load. Alright, so I can just send hello. I can just send hello to this group. Now once I send hello to this group, it means that everybody in the group will receive this on their personal DM, meaning that it will not be sent to the group directly. They will all receive it in their DM. You can try this out, and if it works for you, you can comment in the button below and let me know if you face any difficulty. If you have not subscribed to this channel, please ensure you subscribe, and I'll be here to always help you find new things to do, make sure that you can make more sale for your business.